Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has decided to withdraw a police complaint his PSO had filed against two women in Madgaon. The women had abused him. According to him, they needed some other help. The minister was verbally abused by two women during his inspection of the PCO hospital in Madgaon on Sunday. Before abusing the minister, the women had first verbally attacked a security guard at the hospicio.
I think this needs to be ignored, and I urge the police not to take any action in this regard. And I've asked my PSO to go tomorrow morning and withdraw that complaint against those two ladies so that this issue is put to rest. Political issues, and most important is these issues of these two ladies who require help. Now these two ladies and I had nothing to do. I had gone for a checkup of hospicio.
The health minister has also decided to give all the administrative powers of the GMC hospital to the newly appointed medical superintendent Dr. S. Bandekar. The dean would henceforth look after only the Goa Medical College.
We have initiated the process with the Government of India to see that we get about 25 cochlear implants available for the children, so that we can make this facility available. And in Goa Medical College also, Government of India is ready to give us doctors in form of mentors who can do the surgery and who can follow up and maintain these children who will be operated. Regional Cancer Center, directions is in Finance Department. It will go to the Chief Minister by today or tomorrow. And this file, directions have been given within 15 days to sign the MOU with Government of India. 50 crores.
The minister also said that the Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva Yojana or Universal Medical Scheme would be tweaked, and the work on that was on.
आम्ही आता त्या एजन्सी इन्शुरन्स कंपनीक आपयला. पहिले एक राउंड चीफ मिनिस्टर बसतले, तेजे उपरांत आमचे सगळे हेल्थ ऑफिसर आम्ही बसून मुख्यमंत्री कडेन बसून डिटेल प्रेजेंटेशन करून आम्ही मागीर डिलिब्रेट करून बिफोर सप्टेंबर जावंक जाय ते. आता इलेक्शन बी आयलें, बाय इलेक्शन. आता म्हणूनच गडबडी खूब आहा, पूण त्याच गडबडीन हो विषय खंय ना खंय सोडपाचो.
Chief reporter Glenn Costa with video journalist Shyam Chari from Panji.